Hey, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2017 black Ram 1500 Laramie. Look at this truck. It's nice. Black in color. Like I said, chrome running boards, privacy glass in the back, rear backup assist along with the camera. You got a rear sliding window, spray and liner. 4-wheel drive, V8, 5.7 liter Hemi. It's got all the get up and go you need. One owner. It's got a clean auto check, and we've checked it out too, so service is done, maintenance is up to date. It's got factory warranty left on it. You can buy her with confidence. Look at this nice leather. Nice and clean. Look at all the room back here. Got a nice sleek dash line with wood trim, AM, FM, upgraded sound system, Alpine sound system with navigation, backup camera, all kinds of stuff. Uconnect apps, dual automatic climate control, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive select. There's your gear shifter for on the steering wheel if you want to, if you're towing something. Cruise and radio controls, Bluetooth on the steering wheel, power windows, door locks, mirrors, memory seat, of course power seats, nice analog gauges, and you got a sunroof. Holy cow, what's this thing missing? Not much. It's only missing you. You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Please ask for Brad. Thanks for watching.